Being a Nike head, I always keep an eye on the Air Force models. Recently scrolling through Nike's website, my gaze tapped on two options. The first was the Nike Stussy black and white mid-top. The second was the wall top 07 with black swoosh and back logo. Intrigued by the model and wanting something with a better quality, I decided to wait with my purchase and first try them in the local Nike store. As I assumed from the photos, they used higher quality materials on these. Plus, the store had 12.5 US, so getting them was a no-brainer. Materials. Encompassing the bulk of the shoe, the leather on these feels softer and premium. One of my main reasons for picking this model, this suggests there wouldn't be cracks in the toe box like on the standard white on whites. Apparently, it also makes the shoe far more comfortable since the skin is more flexible. Although this may not be too obvious, the swoosh and back logo on these are made of the same leather, giving the shoe a slightly darker and crispier look. The difference in materials is definitely noticeable, giving the whole shoe a more premium feeling. My favorite part is that it makes the frontest and topmost portion of the toe box somewhat lower, better complementing the overall look. What I mean by that is that unlike the standard, which stays a bit higher, this toe box makes the whole shoe more aerodynamic and beautiful. If there is one thing I dislike about the Air Force One's profile, it is the slight bump in the mentioned area. Fortunately, like many of the LV8, this model doesn't have that. Also, unlike the standard top-downs, these Air Force Ones do not have an aluminum plate attached to their laces. Whether you enjoy that depends on your preference. I think it makes the white and black contrast more, thus giving the shoe a cleaner overall look. Styling. Combining them with white Nike socks, I'll wear these Nike Air Force Ones with black or grey sweatpants, camo or grey Nike shorts and a pair of Carhartt cargos I recently bought. While I'm into the more classic 90s and early 2000s street fashion, I'd be happy to hear your thoughts on this model. What do you like or dislike about it? Also, how do you prefer to wear it? Let me know in the comments below. Also consider subscribing to this or any other of my channels. Thank you for your time.